Hey guys, good morning. So I did post that 5-second video of XRP and the 4-hour MACD getting crushed. Last time that happened, we actually went up about 155%, or we ran about 16 cents, which was from 30 cents to 46 cents. Currently, right now, the run up actually just started at around 61 cents. So I do think we can either run up the what is it called, the 16 cents from here. So we are going to pass four more all-time highs of 72. I do think we're headed straight to a dollar. More than likely, right now we can either say that it's going up 16 cents or it's going to go up 155%. And if that's the case, we are more than over crossing the dollar mark, and I expect either 100, like a dollar and like 30 cents or something, like a dollar and 30 cents. But the next barrier, I do think we're going to pass the 72 cents area relatively fast, relatively easily. The 80-cent mark, I do think we're going to cross that too. The actually next line of support or actual resistance is $1.09. And then after that, it's $1.37. And then after that, it's $1.88, and then $1.96, but et cetera, right? But I do think that we are headed straight to a buck, and I think we might actually end up going all the way up to $1.37 sometime by the end of this year, for sure. I think so. Within this weekend, I think we will probably cross that dollar mark. So if you guys are holding XRP, we'll see what happens by this time tomorrow, or even Monday open. So we'll see what